Alright, so good day no sa lahat kung saan man tayo ngayon. So welcome sa ating Kaiser Health Building Product Training no. So ngayon po i-explain ko sa inyo kung paano po mag-work si Kaiser Ultimate Healthcare. So ayan. So Kaiser po is long-term care or Health Maintenance Organization or HMO. Okay. So, I am your speaker. I am Sailene Parcon Villaseñor. Dati po akong call center agent, no, life insurance underwriter, life license associate financial planner, executive marketing director, and also a WSB Green Jacket qualifier in IMG. All right, so who we are? Sino nga ba si Kaiser? So Kaiser is your first name in healthcare. No? So Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated is a premier health maintenance organization that offers quality healthcare to a diverse range of clients. So it was founded, so nagsimula po si Kaiser last June 8, 2004 and was later on certified by the Department of Health and Insurance Commission to operate on July 26, 2004. So, nasa 20 years na po si Kaiser. Alright? Then spearheaded by its president and medical director, Dr. Leah Uy Yolo. So, si Dr. Leah, she helped propel Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated to be one of the country's leading and trusted HMO providers with her years of expertise not only in HMO operations but also in the medical industry. So si Dr. Leah Yulo po ay isa sa member ng PAMOK. Okay? So we value on one of the greatest Filipino characteristics, strong and close-knit family ties, 'di ba? So sabi nga na tayo mga Pilipino, we are family-oriented, no? So inuuna natin family first before yung sarili natin, lalo na if we are the breadwinner of the family. Diba? So this has moved our company to create accessible and reliable healthcare products designed to each and for the Filipino family. No? So inspired by our brand tagline, your first name in healthcare. So Kaiser International Health Group upholds its position as a top-tier HMO committed to providing exceptional health coverage and compassionate medical care. Alright. Okay, so meron po tayong more than 12,000 doctors accredited ni Kaiser. Then not only the doctors, also the hospitals and clinics nationwide, no? So more than 2,000 na po. Then Kaiser Medical Center. So pwede po ninyong i-search sa Google, no? Yung mga accredited hospitals, clinics, doctors, andun po yan lahat. Then meron po tayong 24/7 na call center ng mga representatives. We can contact them. Then customer care, then liaison officers natin. So 24/7 po natin pwedeng i-contact yung Kaiser if in case we need Kaiser representatives. Alright? Okay, so meron tayong mga accredited hospital. Sabi ko kanina, example, St. Luke's Medical Center, no? Meron sa Quezon City, meron sa BGC, sa Taguig, no? Makati Med, or kung saan man po kayo, pwede ninyo siyang i-search sa Google. No? Search nyo lang doon, Kaiser accredited hospitals. Lalabas niyan lahat. Then tingnan mo kung saang city or saang province ka malapit doon para ma-check mo kung ano yung malapit na Kaiser accredited hospital sa lugar ninyo. Okay? No? So meron din tayong mga Kaiser Medical Centers. Dito sa Kings Court Building, sa Makati, sa baba ng office ng IMG, meron po doon. No? And then also SM North EDSA sa Quezon City. Ayan. Okay. Meron din Robinsons Galleria sa Ortigas. Robinsons Manila. Then SM Santa Rosa sa Laguna ito. Then SM San Pablo City, Laguna din. Okay. EPSA Cavite. Sa Cavite, meron din tayo mga Kaiser Medical Center. Then Kaiser Mactan sa Cebu. Meron din sa SM Seaside Cebu. Meron din dito sa SM City Cebu. Okay, so Kaiser International Health Group is the trusted HMO provider of the two main branches of the government. No, so even our government naniwala po sa Kaiser, 'di ba? So they are the Supreme Court. No, so Supreme Court natin naniwala yan sila na maganda talaga yung Kaiser. 'Di ba? Kung ang pinakamalaking ahensya ng gobyerno ay nagtiwala, tayo pa kaya? No? So, ayan. Alright. Okay, so Kaiser helps you build your solid financial foundation. Bakit makakatulong si Kaiser sa pag-build ng ating solid financial foundation? Kasi po si Kaiser is 3 in 1. Hindi lang sa kape may 3 in 1. No, meron din yan dito sa Kaiser. So, Kaiser is 3 in 1 savings. Bakit? Kasi meron ka ng healthcare protection. No, meron ka na ding life insurance protection. At the same time, you can build up savings or investment. So, para ma-build mo yung solid financial foundation mo, itong dalawa na lang yung kailangan mong i-manage. Magkaroon ka ng emergency fund or i-manage mo yung mga utang mo. Alright? Okay, so ano ba yung mga concepts ni Kaiser? Sa buhay ng tao, guys, meron lang tayong tatlong if. No? So ano ba yung mga if na yon? What if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? What if kunin tayo ni Lord ng maaga and we are the breadwinner of the family? No? So ang solusyon, meron kang life insurance or instant money na maiiwan sa kanila. And what if I get sick? What if magkasakit ako? Who will take care of me? So ang solusyon, meron kang healthcare. Diba? And what if I live too long? Who will take care of me? Ang solusyon, meron kang investment and meron kang money na magtatrabaho for you or long-term care. Kasi itong three major financial needs, no, nakukumpleto sa financial picture natin. Andito na yan siya sa Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. No, meron na siyang investment, meron ng income protection or life insurance, then healthcare. Alright, so ito na yung three major financial needs na yun. Healthcare. Bakit kailangan magkaroon tayo ng healthcare? Kasi it will provide you healthcare when you retire or when you stop working. No? Kasi yung mga sakit natin, guys, hindi yan siya lalabas during kabataan days. Lalabas yung mga sakit during our retirement years, no? Diyan na yung mga arthritis, diabetes, hypertension, or kung ano-ano mang mga tis, no? Maliban na lang sa marites kasi mahirap yan na sakit. 'Di ba? Walang gamot diyan, no? So anyways, kidding aside, no? So, kailangan talaga meron tayong healthcare kasi if ever man na magkasakit tayo when we retire, merong aalalay sa hospital bills natin, which is our healthcare. Right? Then, life insurance. Bakit importante yung life insurance? Because it will protect your family if you die too soon. No? Life insurance protection can help you replace your income, help finance your children's education, so mabayaran yung mga taxes, mga utang, or kung ano-ano pa dyan. Sabi nga, life insurance, no, hindi niya na kayang buhayin yung namatay na, pero kaya niyang buhayin yung naiwan pa. Diba? So, if we love our family, so ngayon, mahal natin yung pamilya natin kasi nagtatrabaho tayo para ma-provide natin yung mga needs and wants nila. So, ang iisipin natin palagi, pag kinuha tayo ni Lord, we can still provide because of this life insurance. Diba? Hindi man natin pinipray yun, pero kailangan talaga natin ito ngayon. Huh? And the next is investment, no? So bakit kailangan mo pa ng investment? Kasi kahit 'di ba, pagdating ng panahon during our retirement years, hindi na natin kayang magtrabaho pero yung ating gastos continue pa rin 'yan. 'Di ba? That's the reason why we need to have an investment para mag-generate pa rin yan siya ng continuing or continue yung income, no, for you when you retire. No, meron kang pera na magtatrabaho for you. Right? So sabi ko nga palagi, ano ba yung gusto natin? Magiging blessing sa pamilya natin pagdating ng panahon or magiging burden? So dapat doon tayo sa magiging blessing tayo. No? So kasi mahirap talaga yung magiging burden. Tandaan natin no, na pag tumanda tayo, darating at darating talaga yung panahon na ipagpapasapasahan tayo ng mga anak natin. Pero if meron tayong investment, hindi mangyayari yan. Diba? Ayan. Okay? So ito na po, how it works. Paano ba mag-work si Kaiser? Ito yung, for example, computation for K100 na plan. Alright? So, how Kaiser works? No? So, si Kaiser po is 7 years investment. No? Then, 20 years po siya nakaplan. Alright? So, 7 plus 13. So, 7 years lang tayong mag-iipon. Then, mag-aantay tayo ng 13 years for maturity. Okay, explain ko. So, within the saving period, from 1 to 7 years old, o 1 to 7 years, no? So, ngayon, pag nakahulog ka na ng 1 year, or annually po yung mode of payment mo, pwede mo na siyang magamit for annual physical examination benefits. Huh? Then, meron na ding dental benefits, basic health benefits, members' choice of room and board, then annual benefit limit, no? Term life insurance coverage, accidental death and dismemberment, waiver of installment due to death or credit life, then waiver of installment due to disability, then family assistance service. Okay, so during the accumulation period from 1 or 1st to 7th year, ito po yung mabibenefit natin. Okay, anong physical exam? Pwede kang magpa-APE sa mga Kaiser accredited hospitals, no? Physical exam, chest x-ray, routine fecalysis, no? Check yung ihi, routine urinalysis, check yung tae, no? Tae, ihi, CBC, then ECG for members above 35 and pap smear for female members above 35 years old as required. So, yung mga babae, no, pag 35 years old na, pwede tayo magpa-pap smear, libre na din po yun. No? Kasi we need to check din our health conditions kasi sasabihin natin na healthy naman ako pero hindi natin alam sa loob ng katawan natin meron tayong mga iniindang sakit doon, no? So magpa-APE ka, libre lang din naman 'yan. Alright? Then dental benefits, no? Unlimited dental check-ups, pa-check up mo yung ngipin mo. Unlimited simple tooth extraction, pwede kang magpabunot ng ngipin, no? Pabunot mo yung ngipin mo, pero pag wisdom tooth, ipapabunot natin, meron lang yan siyang additional charges. Okay? So, once a year, free dental prophylaxis. So, ito yung cleaning, no? Dental cleaning. Then, recementation of jacket, no? Yung mga pasta or minor adjustment of dentures, no? But some dental clinics, hindi nila ino-honor itong pasta or dentures adjustment, but some ino-honor nila. Alright? So, depende na yun siya sa dental clinics. Okay, so basic health benefits. So, for example, guys, no, 1 year ka pa lang nakahulog pero na-hospital ka. No? Pero yung pagka-hospitalize mo, hindi siya pre-existing illness, ha? Example, sumakit yung tiyan, may mga nangyari, basta hindi lang siya pre-existing illness. Okay? So, pwede tayo accredited siya, yung doctor's fee, okay? Operating room, pag na-operahan ka, hospital intensive care, or na ICU ka, then member's choice of room and board, up to 1,000 pesos a day. Then yearly medical benefit limit of 60,000 pesos per year after full payment of the first year. Okay? So, ito nga, kung yung bill mo sa hospital is umabot ng 50,000, so, kung may Kaiser, may PhilHealth ka, pwede mo ipabawas mo na yung PhilHealth, then the rest is si Kaiser na. Kasi meron kang 60,000 pesos na benefit limit, no? Annual benefit limit for hospitalization. So, sa K100 na plan ito, guys. No, depende pa rin siya sa plan na gusto nating kunin. Alright? Okay, term life insurance. So, if a member dies before attaining the age of 75, prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit, value as indicated in the scheduled benefits, all appointed beneficiaries shall entitle to an amount equal to the sum of the long-term care benefit value and long-term care bonus. So for example, yung plan holder na wala na, no? Si plan holder namatay, yung mga beneficiaries niya makakatanggap ng life insurance. Yung apat na beneficiaries, equally yun ma-divide sa kanilang apat. Okay? Then accidental death and dismemberment. So if a member experiences a bodily injury caused solely by an external, violent, and accident event before attaining the age of 75 and before they become eligible for the long-term care benefit. So this injury leads to any of the specified losses within 180 days, the insurance company will pay the following. So for example, no, si plan holder na total and permanent disabled. No, halimbawa, wala na talaga siyang naputulan ng kamay, naputulan ng paa, no? So merong ibibigay na 100% life insurance or insurance na ibibigay si Kaiser. Okay? Loss of both feet, 100% din. Loss of both hand and sight of one eye, 100%. Sabi nga nila, nagjo-joke pa sila no na pag naputol daw yung isang kamay, isama mo na lang din daw yung isa para mabigyan ka ng 100%, no? Pero joke lang yun, guys. So, hindi pwedeng ganun. Dapat stay pa rin tayo, mag-ingat pa rin tayo. No? Kasi hindi mababayaran ng pera yung katawan natin. Pero if ever na ganun yung mangyari, at least merong tutulong sa atin. Alright? Then waiver of membership fees due to death. So if the member during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, the proceeds of the credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of his total membership fees upon approval of the claim by the insurance company making the contract fully paid. So for example, po, yung plan holder namatay, no? Then, hindi pa na fully paid yung plan. Then, ang cause of death niya is natural death. No? So, mga after 2 years pa to. After the contestability period. So, ngayon, ang mangyayari is mabibigyan ng life insurance yung pamilyang naiwan. Pero, compute muna ng Kaiser kung magkano yung remaining unpaid, no, na balance doon. Ibabawas doon yung life insurance and the rest is yun yung ibibigay sa pamilya. Para fully paid na yung plan, ang pamilya mag-antay na lang ng maturity time. Okay? Then waiver of membership fees due to total and permanent disability. So for example, no, so si plan holder namatay due to an accident. No, na-aksidente yung ikinamatay. Kahit 1 month pa lang yan nakahulog, guys, automatically mafu-fully paid yung plan, matransfer sa beneficiaries, up to 4th beneficiary yung pwedeng pag-transferan ng plan natin. No? At the same time, guys, no, fully paid yung plan, then ma-waive na yan siya into 7 years. Then, makakatanggap ang pamilya ng doble na life insurance. For example, sa K100 na plan, ang life insurance is 450,000. Pero pag accidental death, times 2 yan. No? So, magiging 900,000 yung maibibigay sa pamilya. Okay? Ito na. So, may naka-claim na ba niyan, ma'am? Yes, marami na po. No? So, life is uncertain talaga. But if we love our family, life insurance is important. No? Okay? So, yan sila yung mga naka-claim na ng mga death benefits. Alright, so ngayon, 85% money back or long-term care bonus. So for example, within 7 years na pag-iipon mo, hindi ka talaga na hospital. Kasi andun ka sa ibang bansa or healthy ka talaga, hindi mo talaga siya nagamit or meron kang healthcare sa company ninyo, so yun yung ginamit mo, that's good. No, kasi 85% doon sa hinulog mo, ibabalik ng Kaiser sa'yo. Iba pa yung buong hinulog mo na ibabalik, iba pa yung ika-calculate ni Kaiser na 85%. Okay? babalik yan siya lahat sa iyo. So that's the good thing if hindi mo talaga siya nagamit. No, hindi ka talaga na hospital within saving period. All right? So your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser. So example, ito yung sabi ko kanina, na pag na-hospital ka, then meron kang PhilHealth, ipabawas mo muna yung bill mo. No? Or ipabawas mo muna yung coverage ng PhilHealth doon sa bill mo. And then, Kaiser members without PhilHealth membership shall shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of PhilHealth. So for example halimbawa hindi na nabawas na ng Kaiser ng PhilHealth doon sa bill yung coverage niya. So ang the rest nun is si Kaiser na yung magbabayad. Okay? Basta pasok lang doon sa annual benefit limit natin. Okay? Alright. Okay, so ito na. During the extended period, so ano ba yung mga benefits natin? From 8 to 20th year. So extended healthcare coverage period. So ito na siya. Annual health benefit. No? So, pwede na magpa-check up yung outpatient, no? Kahit na hindi ka ma-confine, pwede na. Then, inpatient benefits, yung mga pre-existing illnesses, pwede na siya. Dreaded illness, no? Maternity benefit, pag nabuntis ka, after 7 years, pwede mo na siyang magamit. Diba? Dental benefit, annual health benefit, plus the additional health benefit. Alright, so, all pre-existing and dreaded conditions shall be deemed covered on the 8th until the 20th year. So yung mga pre-existing na sakit, guys, covered na yan siya sa ika-8th year hanggang 20th year pa. No? Ayan. Okay, so the following pre-existing illnesses will be covered during extended period. So ito yung mga pre-existing na sakit, no? Bronchial asthma, mga TB, diabetes, or kung ano-ano pa dyan. No, yan yung mga pre-existing mga sakit. Alright? Okay, so dreaded diseases, ito yung mga nakamamatay ng mga sakit, no? Ayan. Okay. Nakamamatay, yung mga namamana, yan yung mga pre-existing sakit. Okay, so maturity na, maturity time na, ito na yung jackpot round. No, bakit jackpot round? Kasi dito mo na makukuha yung pera mo sa ika-20th year. No, so pagdating ng maturity time, okay, so once a policy matures, the member is entitled to receive the following. No, long-term care benefit value, unused yearly health benefits, additional yearly health care benefits, then long-term care bonus. Okay, so you have the option to choose. No? Pwede kang mamili kung ano yung gusto mong gawin doon sa pera mo. First is you withdraw fully the total health benefits of your policy. Pwede mo siyang kunin lahat. Pero, pag kinuha mo lahat, guys, automatically, mati-terminate na yung plan mo. No? So, wala ka na. Hindi ka na maka-avail sa mga benefits ni Kaiser kasi terminated na yung plan. Other option is continue to enjoy Kaiser's medical network of hospitals and doctors. So, it's customer care and access to your portal. The remaining balance of the total health benefits can continue to grow through Kaiser's Group Premium Deposit Fund. And when you need it, you can withdraw it anytime. So, ganito yung mangyayari. Pag kumurot ka lang, no? Sabi nga, kurot lang, wag dakot. So, kumurot ka lang kahit mga half ng maturity value mo, kunin mo yung kalahati or 1/4 lang nun, no? And the rest is continue pa rin yan siya natutubo. At the same time, ikaw ay covered pa rin sa lahat ng benefits ni Kaiser. Ha? Ayun. So, may nakaklaim na ba ng maturity? Yes, meron na. No? So, maganda yung mga smiles nila kasi they are protected at the same time, meron silang pera. Okay. So, product eligibility, sino ba yung pwedeng kumuha ng Kaiser? From 10 to 40 years old, plan is K45. 41 to 50 years old, plan is K60. 51 to 60 years old plan is K75. Pero, mas maganda kumuha ka ng mas mataas na plan kasi mas mataas na plan, mas malaki yung maturity value and mas malaki yung mga benefits. Okay? Alright. Okay, so ito yung sample proposal. Pag na-process natin yung Kaiser ninyo, ito siya. Yan. So, dito sa mga benefits, nandito lahat-lahat ng mga benefits ninyo, pwede nyo siyang pwede nyo i-check before you proceed. Okay? So, meron din tayong mga terms of payments kung gusto mong mag-monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, or spot cash. Ang kagandahan, pag nag-annual ka, kasi discounted ka na ng 2 months, then pwede mo na siyang magamit right after na-approve yung policy mo. Okay? Or pwede ka ding mag-spot cash. Kasi pag nag-spot cash ka, malaki yung discount mo dyan. Alright? Okay, so ayan. Okay, so pag-approve na yung policy mo, magkakaroon kayo nito, OPMS, so Online Policy Management System. No? So, ma-open nyo yung portal account ninyo sa Kaiser Online or kahit saan kayo. Pwede nyo siyang ma-open, makikita ninyo dyan lahat ng information. Okay? Alright, so thank you so much for choosing Kaiser as your healthcare provider. And yan, no? So thank you so much everyone. Start na tayo kasi nga sabi nila na health is our real wealth, no? So kailangan din natin paghandaan yung health natin, hindi lang yung puro future lang tayo, no? Pero dito din na start na tayo ngayon while we are able to provide income, no, paghandaan natin yung future natin at the same time yung retirement natin because Kaiser is the best for your retirement fund. Okay? So, balikan nyo lang po yung taong nagbigay sa inyo ng video na to so that they can assist you on how to start. Thank you everyone and God bless.